Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can remove only one earphone from the charging case and close the case and use only this one. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see right here we still have connection with this earbuds. I mean with only this one earphone. But you can't pair your left earbud to one device and your right earbud to the second device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!